Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. I'm Paul. How are you today, Emily?
I'm great, Paul. So happy to be here with you and all our listeners. And you?
I'm very good, thank you. Ready for another fun episode?
Me too. But first, we want to say thank you to all our listeners. If you like our channel, please share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. It really helps us a lot. Today's topic is a very useful one. We are going to talk about making new friends in English.
A topic everyone needs. Meeting new people, talking about yourself, asking questions. It's all important.
Yes, and we will also show you simple phrases and vocabulary to use in real-life conversations.
Perfect. Let's start with a question. Emily, when you meet a new person, what do you usually say first?
I usually say, "Hi, my name is Emily. What's your name?"
That's simple and friendly. And listeners, you can repeat after us. Hi, my name is... What's your name?
After introductions, it's good to ask a small question to start talking. For example, where are you from? Or what do you do?
Right. So if someone asks you, where are you from? You can say, I'm from India, or I'm from London. Simple.
And what do you do is for asking about work or school. For example, I'm a student or I work in a bank.
Very useful. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Hi, my name is Paul. What's your name? I'm Emily. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I'm from the USA.
Great, that's perfect for beginners. Small steps first.
Now, after greeting, it's good to ask about hobbies or things someone likes. A common question is, what do you like to do?
Yes, and the answer can be, I like to read, or I enjoy walking in the park, or I love listening to music.
3 words, like enjoy, love. Simple difference. Like equals normal enjoyment.
Enjoy equals more active or stronger. Love equals very strong feeling. Let's give examples. I like reading books. I enjoy walking in the park. I love listening to jazz music.
And you can ask your new friend, do you like reading? Or do you enjoy sports? Or do you love traveling?
Remember, making friends is not just talking about yourself. Ask questions too.
Right. Questions are very important. Some examples. What do you like to do on weekends?
Do you enjoy cooking? Would you love to travel one day? And listen carefully to the answer. Then you can say, oh, I like that too. Or, that sounds fun.
Yes. Showing interest makes a conversation friendly. Repeat after me. I like movies. What about you? I enjoy sports. Do you play any?
Let's do a small dialogue. Imagine meeting someone new.
Hi, my name is Paul. What's your name?
I'm Emily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from New York. And you?
I'm from Chicago. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and listening to music. And you?
I love playing football and watching movies.
That's fun. Do you enjoy cooking?
Sometimes, yes. I enjoy making pasta.
Wow, that sounds delicious.
Thank you. And listeners, you can practice this dialogue with a friend or even alone. Repeat, repeat, repeat.
After talking about hobbies, you can ask small questions to continue the conversation. Examples. What kind of music do you like? Which movies do you enjoy? Do you play any sports? Small talk is important. It helps you know the person better and keeps the conversation going. And don't worry if you make mistakes. Just try to speak. That's how you improve.
Always remember, listening carefully, smiling, and showing interest are the keys to making new friends. Talking about future plans.
Another good topic for conversation is the future. People like talking about dreams and plans.
Yes. For example, you can ask, what are you going to do this weekend? Or, what will you do after school?
And the answer can be, I'm going to visit my friend, or I will watch a movie.
Let's practice. Repeat. I'm going to visit my grandparents this weekend. I will study English tonight.
Small talk about the future is also a way to make friends. You can find common plans and invite each other.
Imagine you just met a new friend. You can suggest.
Would you like to go to the park tomorrow?
Or, do you want to watch a movie this weekend?
And your friend can answer, yes, I would love to. Or, I'm going to visit my cousin, but maybe next time.
Role play is fun. Try it with a friend or even with yourself. Practice makes perfect.
Let's review some important phrases for making friends. Greetings. Hi, my name is. What's your name? Asking about origin. Where are you from? Asking about hobbies. What do you like to do? Showing interest. That sounds fun. Or I like that too. Talking about the future. I will.
And remember the verbs like enjoy, love, and for negative, I don't like or I don't enjoy.
Now a small quiz. Listen and repeat your answers. How do you introduce yourself? How do you ask about hobbies? How do you say you love something? How do you ask someone about their weekend plans?
Try to answer in full sentences. For example, my name is Paul. What's your name? Or I enjoy reading books.
Remember, making friends in English is easy if you practice small conversations every day.
Don't be shy. Speak, make mistakes, learn, and speak again.
Each conversation is a step closer to being confident in English.
And who knows? One of these conversations may turn into a real friendship.
That's all for today's episode of Hello English Channel. We hope you really enjoyed learning how to make new friends in English. Remember, making friends is not only fun, it's also a great way to practice your English every day.
Absolutely, Emily. And for all our listeners, if you enjoyed this episode, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Hit that like button. It really helps us a lot. And share this episode with your friends and family who are also learning English. You never know. You might help someone make a new friend today.
Yes! And we really love hearing from you. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Tell us about one new friend you would like to meet or one thing you enjoy doing with your friends. You can even write a full sentence in English using the phrases we practiced today.
That's right. For example, you can say, I would like to meet a new friend at school, or I enjoy playing football with my friends. Just try your best. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Every sentence you write or speak is practice, and it will help you improve your English.
And listeners, if you want, you can even tell us about a funny or interesting experience you had with a friend. Did something funny happen when you were playing a game? Or maybe you tried a new activity together? We would love to hear those stories too.
Exactly. Sharing your experiences is a great way to remember vocabulary and practice new phrases. And who knows? Maybe your story will inspire someone else to try making a new friend or trying something new.
Another tip, everyone, don't be afraid to make mistakes when speaking English. Remember, even small conversations are steps forward. If you practice a little every day, soon you will feel much more confident talking to new people.
And speaking of practicing, you can try some of the role plays we did today. Pretend you are meeting a new friend. Ask, Hi, my name is... What's your name? Then ask about hobbies. What do you like to do? And continue the conversation. Try it alone, with a friend, or even in front of a mirror.
That's such a fun way to learn. And listeners, don't forget that learning English is a journey. Every small step counts. Every greeting, every question, every sentence you try to speak. You're building your skills one conversation at a time.
Exactly. And always remember to enjoy the process. Smile, have fun, and celebrate small victories. Even saying hi to someone new in English is a success.
So keep practicing, keep talking, and keep making new friends. We are so proud of everyone listening. You are doing an amazing job.
And we would love to hear all about it. Please share your stories and sentences in the comments. We read every single one, and it's so wonderful to see how much progress you are making.
Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and remember, every conversation is a new opportunity to make a friend and practice English.
That's right. Thank you so much for listening today. We had a lot of fun, and we hope you did too. Bye, everyone.
Bye, take care, and see you in the next episode.